Hi everyone, I'm Ian with Creve Coeur Camera, and this is your 60-second spotlight. There are a million different camera bags in all shapes and sizes, but my personal favorite is the Wandrd Prvke. This bag is all work and all play, with plenty of room for all of your gear and any other accessories you might need to keep with you. The Prvke features a removable camera cube for arranging all your gear, and it's easily swappable for those with multiple kits. It also features an expandable roll top, which is great for carrying any extras you might need, from bigger, bulkier items to a change of clothes or shoes. It's made from water-resistant nylon and tarpaulin with lined zippers, so this bag can withstand any kind of weather. And if it gets really rough, there's even a separate rainfly included for complete protection. Not to mention, there's pockets for everything under the sun: phone, wallet, keys, laptop, tablet, and so much more. The Prvke comes in 3 colors and 2 different sizes. Swing by to check one out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.